And we've got David Spence filling in on the forecast today. David, tell us, what can we expect on the way?
Well, I think in the short-term future, within the next few hours, some parts of Alberta, particularly those parts snuggled up against the mountains and the foothills, can expect some snow flurries this evening. But after that, we're in for a lot of sunshine in the days to come and some pretty warm weather too. Clouds now 7 degrees. It's been a mainly cloudy day. The wind is from the west at 24 kilometers per hour. That cloud again is going to clear out after midnight tonight once the precipitation is done. Temperatures near zero in Banff, 6 degrees at Pincher Creek and Calgary and Brooks. It's 2 at Milk River, 7 degrees in Medicine Hat, 2 degrees in Cranbrook at this hour. Here's a look at the satellite shot. There's all that cloud cover. You can see to the west some clearing. That is the effect of the Chinook wind, the Chinook arch. However, that is all going to change as a low pressure system sets itself up right over southern Alberta. And with that low, we'll get some snow being pushed back, or some moisture being pushed back against the foothills. That moist air is forced to rise, and when it does, it starts to make some precipitation, and it looks like it will be in the form of snow for the most part. Now, as we get into the early evening tonight, around 6:30 or so, we may start to see the snow forming in the foothills to the northwest of Calgary. Calgary, according to this computer model, would be in the snow at that time. I'm not sure that's going to happen. It might be a little bit later than that, but it will happen during the evening. And you notice by 8:30, a couple of hours later, we're starting to see the snow develop just south of Lethbridge and back toward the foothills. And that will continue on into the evening, but after midnight, it all moves south into Montana. The sky clears out, and we're left with just a few clouds in the Lethbridge area first thing tomorrow morning, and those two are there temporarily. They're going to move off to the south, and the sky clears out. There's the picture for tomorrow afternoon. We've got a clear sky all across the province and back into British Columbia as well. Conditions look really, really good. Lots of sunshine across much of Western Canada. High pressure moving in, clearing out the sky for us tomorrow. Should be a beautiful day. 0 right now at Halifax, -5 in Moncton, at 0 in Ottawa, 3 in Toronto, 6 degrees in Windsor, 0 at Thunder Bay. Warm conditions in the east, and when it's warm in the east, it's often cold in the west and vice versa. But this time around, the entire country's warmer than average. -3 at Winnipeg and Regina, 0 at Saskatoon and Edmonton, 0 at Prince George, 7 degrees in Vancouver, -4 at Whitehorse. Inuvik, Baker Lake coming in at -32. All right, here's how we go day by day over the next 24 hours. Region by region, starting with the East Kootenay. It should be mainly sunny tomorrow. Like I said, a beautiful day. A little cool, high of 2 degrees, wind from the west at 20 kilometers per hour. For Crow's Nest Pass, looking at 1 degree tomorrow with sunshine, wind out of the west at 20 kilometers per hour. In the Medicine Hat area, again 1 degree, wind from the northwest. That'll keep it a little cool despite an abundant supply of sun. And for the Lethbridge region, 4 degrees with a mainly sunny sky and the wind from the west at 30 kilometers per hour. Sunny and dry. Not only tomorrow, but for the next 5 days. Take a look at this. Friday's high 7 degrees. Saturday we're going up to 8, and Sunday 11. Gorgeous weekend coming up. Monday we could see temperatures drop back a little bit to 0, but all 5 days will be nice and sunny and warm, above average for highs, above average for lows as well. Jackie.